wanted to show you these baseballs that I received from the company. My 9-year-old is playing Little League, and so I love to have extra baseballs for him to practice and to try out at home. They're great for practice. They do work in pitching machines, which I think is really nice to also have. It's made out of a synthetic leather, and then it has like a cork and rubber insole, and then the stitching. They're really like nice quality. I would definitely give these to him to practice with, and I think they feel nice on the hand, as well as I think they're perfect if you're going to a baseball game. They're perfect to have for like autographs if you want to have, you know, somebody autograph it. So they are 9 inches, so they're regular standard size, and they're pretty, you know, nice weight to them. So I definitely recommend these if you're looking for some extra baseballs to have, either for practice, for autographs, to just play catch with. These are a really great option.